Hey guys, it's going to be train horn update number 4. I redid a couple things on the horns. One thing that's noticeable is that flat stock. There's one from this bolt to that one. On the other side, like how I said, this is just so that I could brace it and hold it around while I carry it. But this bar will be changed when I mount it. Re-zip tied this, got this all squared away. Now it finally stands up on its own. Well, it did, just not square. I had fixed the reed on this one because it broke. Yeah, so good thing I had more reeds, and then I resealed that up. Got everything sealed, so let's hear it. There's that, so yeah. Next video will probably be me messing around with it with Smokey or Spy and all that. So later.